Hello students, welcome to the classes of general knowledge for 6th standard. Today we are going to start our first on YouTube class for session 2021 and 2022. Okay, so first chapter is Mythbuster. Mythbuster, what do you mean by myth? It's a false belief by people, okay, which is not true. So we are going to study few of the myths and then we'll explain that it is believed but it is actually not true. So first thing we are going to discuss is ostrich buries its head in sand when threatened. डर के मारे ऑस्ट्रिच अपना सर मिट्टी में छुपा लेती है, but it's not true. Actually this nest, the ostrich nest is under the sand, okay, and when the eggs are laid, ostrich eggs are there, then the ostrich turns the egg, that's why it buries its head in the sand. Moreover, they eat dirt. Why? Because it is good for their digestion, okay, they eat sand because it is good for digestion, and insect also eat insects in the sand. So this is the reason, not because of being threatened they buries its head. Okay, so this is the first myth. Then second is touching a frog or toad will give you rats. What do you mean by rats? Rats means in Hindi we call it as massa. When we touch it will give rats, but it's not true. Okay, that rats is caused by a human virus, not because of frogs or toads. So once you touch frog you will not have rats. So it is disbelief or false belief. Then people think that only elephant cannot jump, which is actually not true. There are other mammals which cannot jump, like hippos are there, rhinos are there, sloths are there. These are the mammals which cannot jump other than elephant. Elephant walks on their two toes. Since elephant is heavy, so it cannot jump, but rhinos are also heavy, hippos are also heavy, so they cannot jump too. Okay, then the next thing is owls are the smartest bird. No, in actually crows are much smarter than owl. सबसे समझदार पक्षी owl नहीं, कौवा है. Okay, then some says that it can move its head 360 degree. 360 degree मतलब पूरा घुमा लेना, which is not true. Which is not true. It can move its head maximum to 270 degree. इतना करता है बस, पूरा नहीं. Is this clear? Not complete. Around 270 degree. Okay, not complete. This clear? Now discussing more myths and revealing the real fact. Okay, so one thing is belief, which may be true or false. Other is fact, which is true, fact or reality. Okay, so in blue written in your book is belief and the explanation is the fact or the reality. Is this clear? So don't get confused. So what they are saying, color red makes a bull angry. Is it? No, it's not the red color. It's not the red color. Only the movement of the cloth which the matador is showing to the bull makes the bull angry, not the red cloth. It is not because of the red cloth, it is because of the movement of the cloth that the bulls get angry. Okay, moreover red color is attractive because this bullfight in Spain is seen by lot of spectators. So this red color is very shiny, so it catches the eye of the spectators. That's why red color is used in bullfighting. Then the next myth is penguin fall back when they look at aeroplane? No. Penguins are well balanced. Okay, they are well balanced. Even if they see upside to the sky, they will not fall. Only the thing is, when the aircraft fly above their head, they get threatened, they fear because of the voice and the noise it makes. Okay, because the noise it makes, so they panic, they get panicked, penguins. Otherwise they are well balanced. Okay, it's not because they fall, aeroplane is moving and they are seeing it and falling. No, they are falling because of the voice, they get threatened. Okay, then the next myth is, or the next false belief is, the shark can smell blood from a mile away, which is also not true. They don't smell the blood from miles away. Okay, then to small children and even many feels that bunny loves carrot, but in reality they love leafy vegetables or green and leafy vegetables more. Okay, as compared to carrot. But why we believe that bunny uh, loves carrot? It is because of one of the cartoons. Okay, Bugs Bunny. In that, the character of bunny eats lot of carrot. Okay, that's why they believe that rabbit loves carrot, but in actually they love leafy, green and leafy things, vegetables. Okay, then in info nugget it is mentioned that birds reject their babies if touched by humans, but it's not true. Okay, when you touch the eggs or the babies, the birds reject the babies if it is touched by humans. It is not true, because they don't have a great sense of smell. Is this clear? So this is our first chapter. You have to be very much understanding. True false may come from this first chapter, even fill the blanks may come. So read it carefully, understand it carefully. Now moving on to the next chapter, that is fish farm. So today in this class we are going to study about the species of fish. Okay, so there are more than 32,000 extant species of fish on this earth. So about few of them we are going to study in this class. Now, which is the oldest animal species in the world? It is coelacanth. Coelacanth. Then which is largest fish in the world? It's whale shark. Which is the largest freshwater fish? Beluga. Which is the most abundant fish in the world? Bristlemouth, which are found very much. Okay, then the rarest fish in the world is devil's hole puffish. Then which is the most widely eaten fish in the world? It's herring, which is most venomous fish in the world. Zehरीली, सबसे जहरीली मछली, it is stonefish. Then which amphibious fish that can live outside water too? Means the fish which can live outside the water too. It's mud skipper. Then two fish, one is lamprey and other hagfish, is the most primitive form of fish living today. That means they are very old. Okay, so fish have been on this earth for more than 5 million years. So their species are on this earth for more than 500 million years. Is this clear? So again, you have to read and understand. For 1 mark question may come, 2 mark question may come, or in the form of true false question may come from this chapter in the form of filling the blanks. So study this chapter nicely. Moving on to the next chapter, that is about the next chapter is about insect of the world. Okay, so there are around 9,50,000 species of insect itself in the world. Okay, so we are going to discuss this. Which is the longest lived insect? It is queen termite. You can see the spelling here also, queen termite. The down answer is given to you. So scientists believe that they live for 50 to 100 years. They lived 50 to 100 years. That means their life is from starting from 50 years to 100 years. Scientists believe that. Then which is the world's largest insect? It's giant veta. You can see and write the answer. The weight is around 71 gram and it is termed to be world's largest insect. The next one is dash are the smallest insect in the world? They are fireflies. So how much small they are? Starting from 0.5 to 1.0 millimeter. This much small fireflies are. So dash are the most abundant insect on the earth? That is ants. They are expected from 10 to 1 lakh trillion in the world. They are in very large amount. Okay, from 10 to 1 lakh trillion. Then which is the most poisonous insect? It is harvester ants. Then so dash which can taste with their feet? It's butterfly. Why? Because they have taste sensor on their feet. They have taste sensor on their feet, like humans are having taste sensor on the tongue. Yes or no? Same way they have taste sensor on their feet. So dash can smell each other from miles away. So its moths, silk moth can smell other moths from 6 miles away. Okay, then which is the strongest insect? It is dung beetle. So you can see the answers. First answer is queen termite, second giant veta, third is fairy flies, fourth one is ants, fifth one is harvester ants, sixth one is butterflies, seventh one is moths, and eighth one is dung beetle. You can also take the screenshot. Now moving on to the next exercise, that is strange facts about animals. So today we'll continue with this topic as well, that is strange facts about animals. So first, starting with elephant. Elephants walk on the tip of their toes. Okay, why? Because they have the rear part of their foot is boneless. It is not having any bones, and it is very fatty too. So that's why they walk on their tip of their toes. Okay, then about bats. So bat is a mammal and it can fly too, but it cannot walk on land. Okay, and it rests in the head down posture, ऊपर से नीचे, head down posture by hanging on the tree, or at night you can see the bats near your area. Then panda, they have additional thumb so that they can grasp bamboo stem with its paws. Is this clear? उसका एक एडिशनल थम होता है टू गेट सपोर्ट, इसलिए वो पेड़ पे चढ़ जाते हैं. बैम्बू स्टिक सीधा होता है ना, बैम्बू स्टिक उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाते हैं, ठीक है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एडिशनल थम, उनको ग्रिप अच्छी हो जाती है. देन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट वन स्ट्रेंज फिश, that is climbing perch. It is strange, why? Because it can walk on land in search of water. When its whole water hole dries up, it goes on land and search for water. So it's very strange. The name is climbing perch. Then about bees, the color we see and the color bees see, they are different. We cannot detect ultraviolet light, but bees can easily detect it. We can see red color, but bees are not sensitive to it. They don't have the sense of that red color. Then coming to the next point, that is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus swims underwater. Whenever it goes in the water, its nostrils and ears closes automatically. It's natural. Whenever it gets into water, their nostril and ears closes automatically. Then queen termite, we have just studied that it is the longest lived insect. It lives in Australia, and where it keeps it egg in a large mud castle. Castle एक मतलब a castle, you know, like a fort of mud they used to make, and you may have seen in the movies or in the ads. Okay, so their eggs are laid in a large mud castle. Okay, so they built it. They built in sand they built, and it is around 6 meter height and 30 meter in width, like a building they make. Queen termite. So this chapter again can be asked in the form of filling the blanks, true or false, question answer. So be prepared nicely. Is this clear? Now moving on to the 5th chapter, that is animal fear. You have to read the chapter as well by yourself, though I am explaining, but you have to read nicely, thoroughly, so that you can understand. As we drink the milk of cow, and do you know that cow gave almost 2 lakh glasses full of milk? Yes, we should have cows at our home so that we get good nutrition from the cows. We need to have desi cows in our house, okay, not from other countries, but our own country cows we should have. It gives nutrition. And how much milk? 2 lakh glasses full of milk is given by cow, which one human cannot consume in his lifetime, that much milk. Then humans can recognize the image in the mirror. No other animal except chimpanzee. Chimpanzee can also learn to recognize their own image. They can know who is the person in the mirror. Is this clear? Then people are confused whether zebra is having black stripes or white stripe. Actually the base color is black and the stripes are white. Okay, so it is black with white stripes. So the base is black and then the stripes are white. Then the lion roars is so loud. How much loud? That it can be heard up to a distance of 5 miles. Even the snoring of lion can be heard from a mile away. Then the next point, in the Asiatic species of elephants, only male have tusk. These are the tusk. These are the tusk. White color. These are the tusk. Okay, tusk. So only male have this tusk. See, two tusk. These are not used for eating. There are other teeth are there for eating. So these are the tusk. Only male elephants are having. Okay, and the weight is 200 pounds of the tusk, both the tusk. Okay, do you know there are over 7,000 types of spider spinning their webs in the world? More, how much? 70,000 types of spiders. Do you know the life of a housefly is only 14 days? The housefly is only 14 days. Which animal first went to space? It was dog. The name was Laika. The name of the dog was Laika. Okay. Next, which is the fastest flightless bird? It is ostrich. And what is the speed? 70 km/h. Whenever you see a camel, don't get him angry. Otherwise, what will be the impact? It can spit at you. The camel can spit at you. Is this clear? There are very small size crabs, even to the size of pea. They are so small to the size of pea. So that's why they are termed as pea crabs. They are termed as pea crabs. Okay. So do this chapter nicely, go through it. Now, last chapter we are going to discuss in this YouTube class is slithering stunners. Okay, so it's true, false. We are going to discuss this. Reptiles are unique creatures because of the dry scales covering their body. It's true. The answer is true. So first answer is true. Then the largest living lizard is the Komodo dragon. It is also true. Then the reptiles are warm-blooded creatures. No, they are cold-blooded creatures. That's why third one is false. Snake do not have ears. Yes. Snake have ears, but they have internal ears. That's why it is false. Okay, it is false. They have ears, internal ears. Turtles are found in Antarctica. No, they are not found in Antarctica. Chameleons have tongues longer than their body. Yes, very long tongue. So the answer is true. Reptiles do not have gills. They breathe through their lungs. This is also true. And dinosaurs, were dinosaurs reptiles? Yes, dinosaurs were reptile. Okay, so now the info nugget. Only two kinds of lizards in the world are venomous. Who are they? One is Gila monster, which is found in United States, and the other is Mexican beaded lizard, which is found in Mexico. Photos are given to you, you can see. Now you have to identify and write the names. So this one is a snake. The name of this snake is anaconda. The second picture is turtle. The third picture is of frilled lizard. The fourth one is Zico. Fifth one is iguana. And sixth one is coral snake. Those who are having new books can answer, can take the screenshot and write the answers. Okay. So that's it from the YouTube classes for class 6th general knowledge. Wait for the another YouTube classes. So it's Ankush Sharma signing off from this YouTube class. Take care and have a good week.